How to create a data log. This video tutorial is suitable for BITZER products. Please connect the BEST converter to the terminal strip as described in the operating instructions. Terminal strip CN14 for CMRC and CMSW, CN9 for CSV, and COM3 for SEI1. The EcoStar can be connected via Bluetooth and Mini-B USB plug. Open the BEST software, press New and select the product you want to connect. Press Connect and select the type of connection. Please note that the measurements must be carried out in a stable operating condition. After the commissioning, press the Data Log button and select Download Data Log. The information stored in the device will now be downloaded. After successful download, a log file appears in the Data Log menu. Press the Save button to save the log file on your local drive. Please upload the BEST project file .bpd on the BITZER website under Service Warranty Management.